Recap tayo na pag-usapan na natin kung bakit natural lang ang empty houses at kung paano gumagana ang second, fourth at fifth house kapag walang planets. Ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa mga houses na kadalasang pinakakinakabahan ng mga tao, ang relationships, career at spirituality. Unahin natin ang seventh house, ang house ng relationship at partnerships. Kapag empty ang seventh house mo, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang love life, commitment, or marriage potential. Empty siya dahil hindi ka defined ng relation. Buong buo ka na kahit mag-isa, hindi ka naghahanap ng partner para punan ang sarili mo. Relationships comes as a choice, hindi necessity. Hindi ito area ng paulit-ulit na lesson. Kaya hindi siya loud sa chart. Empty, seventh house, relationships are a choice, not a survival need. You don't lose yourself in love. Next, ang 10th house, career, reputation, at public image. Kapag empty ang 10th house, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang ambisyon or direction sa buhay. Empty siya dahil hindi ka hinuhubog ng titles, status, or external validation. Ang success mo ay personal. Minsan tahimik, minsan hindi obvious sa iba. Hindi ka pressured mag-fit sa traditional definition ng achievement, mas mahalaga sa iyo ang meaning kaysa applause. Empty 10th house, success is personal, purpose over applause. Your path doesn't need approval. Ngayon, ang pinaka-misunderstood, ang 12th house. Kapag empty ang 12th house, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang spirituality, intuition, or depth. Empty siya dahil hindi ka nalulunod sa subconscious world. May natural kang boundary sa pagitan ng inner world at reality. Hindi ka required magdala ng heavy karmic lessons. Mas grounded ang spiritual awareness mo. Healing comes naturally, hindi through chaos. Empty 12th house, quiet spirituality, natural boundaries. Peace doesn't have to be painful. Ang empty houses ay hindi inactive. Ginagalaw pa rin sila ng house rulers, transits, life timing. Tahimik lang sila hanggang kailanganin. So kung may empty houses ka sa chart mo, hindi ka kulang. Hindi lang lahat ng energy kailangang maingay. Having no planets there does not mean lack. Quiet energy is still powerful. Timing matters. Kapag gusto mong magpa-reading ng birth chart mo personally, DM mo lang ako.